Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. Thanks so much for coming by my channel today. So my family just got back from a spring break road trip, and as you know, when special days, trips, vacations come, there can be a lot of pileup of things that you need to catch up on, and that's where I'm at today. I've spent the majority of my day trying to catch up on life, and I have about half an hour left before I need to leave. So I thought this would make an interesting challenge. How much homemaking can I get caught up on in 30 minutes? And the whole video won't be 30 minutes because I won't be able to film every little tiny thing that I'm doing, but I can at least give you an idea and maybe challenge some of you guys to join me and see how much you can get done in 30 minutes. I'm going to set the timer on my phone. I just pulled a load of laundry out of the dryer. And I washed my sheets, so I need to get my sheets back on my bed, get the bed made, fold that laundry, put it away. I've got bread in the oven that I need to make sure I pull out. Yeah, lots of things going on. I've got laundry that's just finishing that I'm going to need to switch, all those sorts of things. So let's get going. I'm going to set my timer. Start. All right. Whoop. Timer's going. My little dryer ball got stuck in the sheet. All right, whew. I'm running out of breath. Okay, so I just got off the phone with my insurance. I had to take that call, but I managed to still make the bed. And as I was talking to them, my timer went off on my oven. So I pulled out the bread. I tried something different this time where I put a pan underneath the bread while it was cooking, and I put water in that pan to create some steam in the oven. And the difference in how the bread looks, doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to do that from now on. So if you're baking bread, try that, where you put another pan like this underneath, pour a cup of water in it, shut the oven door, and let it bake, and it will make it so yummy and pretty looking. So that's a win for sure. Now, this load also just beeped. I'm going to move it into the dryer, get all the lint off here. Whew. I washed this couch blanket because I noticed it had some melted chocolate on it. Right, forgot that other dryer ball. I'll get this going. All right, I folded the towels, and I already put away the washcloths and the bath mat, which hopefully you saw me do. But I'm going to put all of this away. It's not going to be much, so I should be able to get that done in plenty of time. I forgot to turn the oven light off, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got some starter going. here to make some sourdough cookies. I made sourdough crackers before my half an hour started. These are a really fun recipe. Someday I'll have to show those to you. But I have some dishes left from lunch, so I'm going to focus on that. I have about 10 minutes left on the timer. Okay, I have dishes done and put away all the things that were drying. The other thing I need to do is I'm making these salmon fillets that I got at Costco. They're in the freezer, so I need to pull them out so that they're ready to cook when I get back. So I need to go grab those out of the freezer. I have a bonus freezer in the garage. It's from our old house and we brought it with us because we could. Why not? And so we use that for some of our meat storage and water bottles and things like that. So I'm going to run out there and grab the salmon fillets to defrost. This was one of those like quick dinner options that I grabbed for busy days like today, where I'm just, you know, catching up, doing a lot. But I really was excited about these because they are safe for our allergy kids. So going to make that tonight for dinner. Another thing that I really need to get done is I want to write a thank you card. And these little blue pieces, I have a basket with like cards and things like that in it. So I need to find a thank you card, which I think I have some, yeah, right here. And envelope. I have 3 minutes left on the timer. Is that the right combination? That'll fit, right? Yeah. Okay. So I have 3 minutes left on the timer. See if I can get that done. Oh, there's the timer. All right, so that was it. That was my timer going off. I was able to finish that thank you note really quickly, but I got the laundry switched. I got my bed made. I got the laundry folded and put away. That was in the dryer. I was able to lay out our bath mat. Let's see what else. I talked on the phone with our insurance agent, pulled the bread out of the oven, pulled the meat out to defrost for dinner, and I feel like there were other things I was scrambling around putting away, but I didn't have the camera for those moments. But it was fun to have this challenge. I definitely feel like I even broke a little bit of a sweat, like running around trying to get everything done in this last half an hour. So it is kind of amazing how much you can get done when you put your mind to it. I respond well to having a little challenge. It kind of boosts my morale and helps me to like get over the hump of trying to get something done. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. It was a fun, like, hey, hey, you can get things done in half an hour. It's gonna be okay. I feel like me, sometimes you just need that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe if you are new here. We'd love to have you here at the Sweet and Simple Home. Your thumbs up help out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so thank you for those of you who leave me that big thumbs up, and let me know what you got done in your half an hour. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye!